Hi, I'm Jonathan, the co-founder at BochaSweet, and I'm with my wife, Adriana, and we're so excited to share with you our vegan pancake and waffle mix that's 100% keto, gluten-free, and sugar-free, and each pancake is only 1 gram net carb. So this is great for a low-carb diet, diabetic-friendly diet, sugar-free diet, or just an overall healthy, balanced diet.
Yeah, it's actually the perfect solution if you really miss pancakes, but you don't want the unhealthy pancakes that we're used to. So this is delicious, it tastes really good, and it's also good for you. So it's not only keto-friendly, but also has a high content in protein that is a plant-based protein. Jonathan is going to explain us what type of protein this is and what are the benefits.
Regarding the protein content, we have a blend of pea and hemp protein. Pea protein is very popular in vegan protein powders, and it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's easy to digest, and it contains a good amount of iron. Hemp protein, on the other hand, is part of the cannabis family, but it doesn't have THC in it. It's very healthy that it has a good amount of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids. It's easy to digest, and it contains all 9 essential amino acids.
One thing I want to highlight is the amount of pancakes you can make out of this pouch. It's not that you're only going to make it once. You can even have like enough pancakes for a week for your family, which is 15 servings per pouch. That's very generous. Can this get any better? Yes, it can. This is sweetened with BochaSweet, which means that you don't really need any syrup because it is tasty itself. But we're going to teach you how to make your own syrup if you want to try it with our BochaSweet powder.
So here I have our granular BochaSweet, which is already in our pancake mix, and our powdered BochaSweet, which we'll be using to make our homemade syrup, and you can also use this to sprinkle on top.
Let's get into it. So I just opened my mix. We're gonna put in a bowl 2 eggs. We can also use any type of replacement for eggs if you are vegan or you're allergic to eggs. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of nut milk. Mix it all together.
We're ready to make some pancake. Let's do it. So here we have it, the pancakes are now ready. We made 5 pancakes. You can also make up to 6 pancakes depending on what size you prefer. And Adriana is also going to now show us how to make the homemade BochaSweet syrup.
To make the syrup, we just need a few ingredients. We need a half a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of our powdered BochaSweet, 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and 1/4 teaspoon of either vanilla extract or maple would be even better, but both work good. And you just start by putting the sugar and the water. I'm heating up the BochaSweet powder with the water, and once it is dissolved, then I can add the xanthan gum and also the vanilla flavor or the maple flavor. Once the water is translucent, it's see-through, then you know that the BochaSweet is completely dissolved, and then you can go ahead and do the xanthan gum. If any clumps remain, you can use a strainer and get rid of them, and then you're just gonna pour it in a container of your preference and let it cool down a little bit before pouring it on your pancakes. So we have our pancakes ready, our syrup, and we're gonna dust some powdered sugar on the pancakes.
Here we go. You can then go ahead and enjoy these pancakes for breakfast, brunch, or whenever you crave some pancake. So head over to BochaSweet.com and get your hands on our vegan pancake and waffle mix.